Interjections. Kinds of interjections. Interjections can be divided to pronominal, dealt with in 153, and ordinary. The latter are to, jo, or o, all of which are used to call out someone. Doge, also dagoe or dogoe, which expresses astonishment, e.g. Doge hogboa suon, iadong du gagato na magdiang hogbo niladangon. IBP 7115. Judges look at those confounded buffaloes. When there is a gust from them to feed on, then the buffaloes of this land are lean. Doge ale anggi dia mawon tai huto dala non. IBP 6517. Look now, brother, which of these paths shall we follow? CF IBP 65 111 FB P71 18 FB. Bow, which is used by anyone approaching a betting place to warn people betting there. CF 52 6. Maddening has bow 56 52 6 ops. Lee, which is used to scare away kites. Birds that are stealing his chickens. Sa is used to scare off a dog. Dictionary Gora, and push to scare off a cat. Formerly, Lee was an imitation of the sound made by birds that steal chickens. 135 1a. Ale, which is often used before a proper name or before a kinship term with which one addresses a person, ijale dongan ale amang, etc. It is usually used when one addresses a person in a friendly manner or when one wants a person to listen to one. The substantive following it is often omitted, especially at the end of the story and in border of a precept, etc. Where such is directed to the reader of the listener. RB P87, CF also P80 118 FB. For alloy in border, see below. Below. Ale particular in prayers becomes alea, e.g. alea opung, IBP 303 19 FB. Edit to ia. Ale gives iale, which is an expression of dejection, such as when one is complaining of one's lot. IBP 8017 FB. The use of this interjection and its repeated form ale friend gives the impression that originally ale was a substantive meaning someone with whom one converses. A coup is used at present. It is therefore a variant of allo 29.3, and a rose before allo was applied particularly to a person who is hostile or is so regarded. For example, a person with whom one gambles when it still had the meaning of the partner in a conversation who is not necessarily an antagonist. Such a conclusion may be drawn from mengalui, which means to answer, to speak to, though its real meaning is to provide someone with a partner in a conversation. 51. Also in mangaloalo, meaning to go to meet someone, to welcome him, there is no sign of the present day meaning of adversary. As confirmation of the derivation of ale from alo in Poda, aloi is often used instead of ale. And what is aloi but an imperative of mangaloi? Pay attention to the writer. Maling puts noman or nongan 33 for dongan from dongan 38a in the mouths of narrator when addressing listeners. Bawa. This is really a vocative of bayo or bao. 27 2 ops 3. For the meaning, see dictionary. Manding has baya instead of bayoa. Inang 98. This is often used as an exclamation of impatience, grief, pain, sorrow, etc. The following are also used. Iale inang IBP 76 112 inangoy or inangi, which is often abbreviated to nangi or nongi 28, e.g. inangi ale inang sorini or how sad is my fate, an exclamation express great pain. Mate inang mother, I'm dying. Mandaling has inangoy as an exclamation of spite. It used among father as an exclamation of amazement. Oi, which is used after the substantive before which ale is often used, is an exclamation with which someone is heard. 19.3a. Ba, which is used before a name of incentive term with which one addresses someone, especially when one refuses something or is dissatisfied, e.g. Ba Jonaha IBP 289 111 FB Idadong Ba Amang C below 42. It is also used to express disappointment, e.g. when they did not see the deal with which they had intended to regale themselves. They said Ba dia do usanidok me IBP 52 111. Well, where is the deal that you spoke of? In contrast with Ale, which is more common in cases, Ba is especially used in answers. It is then placed at the beginning of the sentence, e.g. Baima tokat nami IBP 5119. There you are with your riddle. CF IBP 322 11 FB and P 301 116. Sometimes it is used as an introduction when a story is continued. E.g. Thereupon they went to look for the women who were left behind in the soap on the Great Plain. Basali Magdalan nasida basahat manasida godi bogui badiaraun matian sobo iba IBP 82 116 FB. They went on and on. They met the woman and invited them to leave the soap and accompany them, etc. CFRB P83 12 and 14. Mandaling Chusbo in a friendly comment and invitation, etc., not only before a vocative but often the same way as it uses Jolo 158, e.g. Palu Buangi Alto Altoi IBP 248 113 P52 17 FB P53 118 FB. Now my dear young men, start the halto Masigat Tugbo di Laikon IBP 49M. Come hang on to Taibaitil Robo Ho Tucson IBP 49M. Come here Obadbo to on Lului Acho, etc. IBP 41B. Come bring the Luli here so that, etc. Iabo also Iobo indicates a friendly reply. See IBP 49 119 FB. Bo like Ba also has a conjunctival meaning, e.g. jadi miras waku bo suruh bayakut IBP 268 13 so that I became angry and had him put in the stocks. Onomatopic exclamations, e.g. pak din nabului not IBP 285 118 FB. Pak, that was the sound that those bamboos made. CF Dictionary Bush, Bomb Park, etc. The manner in which a verb is made of such words has been dealt with in 52.4. Words that are used in exclamatory manner and which are in themselves a sentence. Olo, yes, so that's it. It is used to let person know that what he has said has been understood. E.g. in the priest asks, where is that which you have to go into the world, O beloved wife? Well, Prince, replied his wife, I have placed it on the takingan because it's different from other people's offspring. Olo raja nami di takingan nido wine, etc. So that's it, said the prince. What then? He asked. Is it that you've been birth to? Olo baru ni raja nami ayahado lihat ni nati nubuhoni. Well, beloved husband, I've give birth to an edict. Olo anak ina baru ilik do nahu tubuhoni. See dictionary for another example. There is no doubt that this interjection is the verb olo, and that therefore it is a sentence which should be translated as I am willing to listen to you and to reply, etc. A confirmatory reply to a yes or no question in which interrogative is used is not expressed by olo but by repeating the words in the question, e.g. to the question adong doi di roham jumpa sogot, in your opinion can that be found? Then reply adong doi sogot jumpa ho, it can be found by you. To the question nunga malum dia hapo, do you feel better already? The answer is nunga. It already is also 165 1. Mandaling also uses olo, where a person comes to tell something when, for example, one person tells another that what he has asked to be done has been done. RBP 31.1.4, or when one person gives another a command. P 31.16 FB. Olo is rarely used with the meaning of to wish, to want to. Ra and Gyot are used with this meaning. The use of Ra and Gyot requires a better explanation than that given in the dictionary. The difference between them lies in construction. Ra is used in the passive sentence or where the verb is suppressed, e.g. Ulak ko amang radioban halani, IBP 169.17. Please don't be carried off by him, Father. Nada iya ra, IBP 225.110 FB. She didn't want to be married. She have also 1.8 FB. Radoho partonai. Are you willing to be sent by me on a mission? Also, Radoho partonaku. Gyot is used when the sense is active. When the sentence is passive, Gyot still refers to the agent, e.g. Ima da muda kahangi ulang Gyot ni bunuh, IBP 104.1.1 FB. Listen if a man is a brother, one should not want to kill him. If one kills him, one is in this way visited by the gods. Na Gyot bunuh ni halani mau, IBP 194.120. He wants to kill me, that's why he has buried me here. Light do naso Gyot iya ningia magbagas, IBP 227.110. She still did not want to marry. She said, Gyot goa mituson, IBP 70.5. We want to come here also, IBP 31.17. With TB for the object, Gyot means to decide to have something, e.g. Budana tutu do Gyot to dibotohi, IBP 41.117. If you wish to have my sister's wife as wife, she have IBP 239.110. In a case such as this, Ra is used of a woman who wants a man as a husband, so that Ra becomes the feminine form and Gyot the masculine, e.g. Muda Ra halani buat tamu, muda sora na sora mai dihamu, IBP 227.17. If it is her wish, take her. If she does not wish it, then she won't have you as a husband. Gyot is also used Siol in Toba 158.16, e.g. Gyot mate, IBP 222, 116 and 117. There uses uwe which also functions as a verb, e.g. ai enggo kono uwe I seraya si selido, IBP 255, 110. Because when asked by Selido for your support, you gave consent. For Gyot C 158.16. Indadong or Idawong 153.3c. No, not. In a refusal, it is often used with ba, e.g. grandmother. May we take a leave of your battle? Certainly not, my dear sir. In the dong ba among IBP 49.111, CF RBP 49.13 FB, P50 15 FB. Idada can also be used in an exclamatory manner. That was true, certainly not. See also 165.1. Mandarin uses nada or ngada sought in a denial mid in exclamatory manner. There uses mada as an exclamation. Na, take it, there it is. Na is used when one hands something or presents something to a person, e.g. Ba na ale raja nami gagang ni utaku si saribu bisang ngimaon di hobi yakinon. IBP 221, 15b. Here it is, Prince. Let this dog of mine be yours in payment of my debt of 1,000 bitsang na hamu, etc. Dictionary. A word that is derived from na, and which to all appearances in an imperative is nakon, of which the translation is Hanover Pass, e.g. Puluk-pulungan ni pagari nakon, Hanover Pass, the ingredients of the charm. Tuson siya botson idva, in sometimes used with nakon, e.g. da hanon na hinunihani nakon tusonina idahani manuk taon, ABP 266 11 FB. Model past that rice prepared with turmeric as food for this fall of hours. CF ABP 2028 12 Dia 16561 is also used, so is Botson, an abbreviation of Boatuson, of Boton, an abbreviation of Boatuon. 153 e.g. Boton Jolo Hujuri Alea Manguda, the Caribbean with Sang Mai Menda to Dalipi 216 FB. If you please, Uncle, hand over the lens. Mandailing uses na with the before the substantive representing the person being addressed, e.g. Nama diho pandibunganon RBP 4813. Here this is something by means of which you can jump CF RBP 47 117 FB, P 245 112, P 257 16. Nale XC is also used, e.g. Nale mulak sadungon RBP 280 to 112. There you've got back the sadung. Bokon is usually used instead of nakon, e.g. Boko tuon titiki RBP 282 113, P 295 16. There uses na as well as na, e.g. Enamongos su kubahan pengke beras banu sinidokan muidi ale anak namberu namo ABP 61 112. Here his husband is the sacrificial rice prepared by me, which you have ordered. Here it is. Atik used as an exclamation express uncertainty and is translated by who knows who how, e.g. Atik sadihari matiau ABP 199 113 FP. Who knows how quickly I shall CF 158 20. Mandarin says apot sipata sipatau ABP 161 116 of sipata sipatau AB P 162 15. Dari sesta 147 dari Magada tua. Oh my fate be so auspicious that the iji Magada tua di patubuk debata di patuan patudio pidong na malo magatahata ABP 64 117. May it please the gods that it is our fate for the Tondi to point out but I can speak. When Magadatua is used, mention of the gods of the spirits need not be made, e.g. Magadatua Masi Tung Dapoti Bayanon Nami do Anggita ABP 116M. May we be so fortunate that the gods of the spirits will be gracious, so that my younger brother and I may find that Adatua, which often occurs as a parenthetic clause, is also used, e.g. Anggopidong nanidok munai ada dua tagbunuawi. Concerning the bird of which you speak, if I am lucky, I'll be able to kill it. Si ada tua is also used. There uses ada tua or madatua. Note, it is probable that ada tua has been taken from Malay, so that it is ada tua, which expressed in an exclamatory manner can mean may there be good fortune. This is probably an abbreviated form of Inda CM and is used in a consultative manner. See dictionary for examples. It is often used with verb in a word with which a person is stressed, especially when surprise expressed with a certain degree of animation, e.g. biasalah suada magbabo da bajonaha di haumami. ABP 304 12 FB. For what reason, Jonaha, aren't you getting on which reading your field? Homa na holsona, homa na sona dabangi, ABP 196 110. Really brother, you're too anxious. Mandarin uses the in an admonition, e.g. hupangan mada ABP 6M. I salute it, do you hear? It also uses the in the, e.g. Danian naulidukon ABP 134 112 FB. Have I not said to? Unang, this is variant of ulang. 3, 4, and 31, 14, note 2, and is therefore an imperative o mangulang not to use something, to let something fall into disuse. Unang, as an exclamation means let it be. It doesn't matter, and just as especially the carbon in Sangmay Benda to the P12 1 4FB is used to express indifference at the refusal. See first and fourth quotation in dictionary. Unang is used as a negative in expressing one's desire for something and therefore expresses a negative imperative or optative. The subject is then placed before the predicate, e.g. Una, bandang udang IBP 1717 FB. Do not devise any means for putting us to the test. Una salitangis the carbon and Sangmay Benda to repeat 612. Don't cry continually, or that you may not cry continually. Una biar IBP 35 115 FB. Don't be afraid. Una kolau IBP 175 B. Don't go. Unang beyaw di utawod by Kamuna IBP 6117. Don't let me remain in the spirit CF IBP 418 FB. The construction is therefore the same as in an affirmative imperative, e.g. ugasatu by kamu IBP 714. Get my things ready for me 5158. Dison maubayan. Put me here. Panganon ni Nasaros Lopa Dainang IBP 218.18. Cook food for 100 people, mother. When the subject has already been mentioned, it is then only referred to, e.g. Horong Angiku Majolo 142. When the subject is to be stated after the predicate, then ma or do is used preferably after the predicate, by either of these words can be omitted in a sentence that is connected by conjunctive with one preceding it, in which either of these words has been used, e.g. Roma Ojolo Urupiao IBP 160 117 FB. Come, I beg you, and help me. Jagang gikuma parau taon at buat bamang majuhoti 142. Pagogoy doa waliopung, give me power, O master. Buan maaw waliopung, topi doau IBP 7110 FB. Carry my father, but carry me in a cloth. Palua maaw, let me go. When the dative is used, the second person singular pronoun is not surprise, e.g. Mangalopa ho inang IBP 218 16. Cook mother tuduk maho IBP 139 116. Sedang manapura ko IBP 15 120 FB. Take some battle. As a negative, after rasa, when the letter has the meaning of so, that 163 4a, and on its own as negative final conjunction, in which case the subject is placed after the predicate, e.g. unang teri daun 158 3b. Ia hutatau jaga jolo by kamuna unang ropa nako tuhu tahun IBP 220 13 FB. Guard this our village well, so that no thief may come into it. Unang robe gumasa IBP 2611, so that no epidemic may come to this village. Unang adodalan ni halak laut to gijang IBP 196 113, so that there no means 100%. Unang dipanako wideba utat tahun 118 to footnote, with such an example as unang sanga hami magmuso 158 18 sanga. It should be noted that here sanga is a verb concerning as a predicate. If the subject has already been stated, then sanga drops out, e.g. ditukol mata niyagi udang sudol IBP 41 114 FB. The sun was checked by her in its course, so that it could not set. With the negative so after it, and then has the meaning of asala 160, e.g. unak sojupa hujuri, only be provided that the lands be found. Unak so dileo kodiau manukbi IBP 267 118 FB. If you just give your foal to me, unak so to komiju IBP 172 17 FB. If you just come below unak so oras sa midihutaon IBP 195 112 FB. provided that we are in good health in this village. With the pronoun na before or after it then happen a suppositional meaning, e.g. unang na didokolat so idadong dope ni mu chupaho pidong na nidok ni roham idadong lau anak tayatong. IBP 37:113. Had you not said that, you had still not been able, as you said, to find the bird you sought, our son would not have gone. Na unang lomo rohaku C 166. Here the original meaning of unang as an imperative can be seen, as it could also be rendered as suppose that not. With a tick and out 163.6, it is used as a negative. With rahanan 134.2e, it has the meaning of then, e.g. rahanan now manikot unang tuanak mi, I'd hang myself rather than belong to your son. Ang gitay mautunaon rahanan masalitu ibodotay, nilian masi unak tu halak namana. Let me send for our younger brother, then the God should be given to our brother rather than the someone else. Dohami inang upay daidami wakin mate, rohana dohami mate unako. We shall go with you, we can see you die. It is better that we should die rather than you. Ranan can also be omitted, e.g. pisosian gijang sakalan siya burus. Pisosian gijang sakalan siya torus sobeha. Pisosian gijang sakalan siya torus sobeha. Raku unaku konong na mana lubukon. A chop from above, a chopping block from below. It's immaterial to me rather than that I should have to dive into this deep river. CF also IBP 2716 FB P 2112. Mandeling as Dakon or in Dakon 22:3, as an exclamation, it appears to be an imperative and to derive from indang, which in Mandeling has fallen to destitute. In other words, it uses ulang RBP 256:116, P21:19 FB, P25:13, which is interchangeable with Apollo 159:4. Apollo is used with Ganan RBP 258:125 and 1.5 FB, and ulang and asa with Agona RBP 216:112 and 114. CF also P 119:114, P 117:117 FB. Ulang is also used with a comparative where in toba as would be used, e.g. gogodo iya ulang out IBP 38:120, he is stronger than I. There has dosa 25:4 of 7 as an exclamation, otherwise it uses ulang as in Mandeling. This is an invitatory exclamation and is placed at the beginning of a sentence and expresses a request to one or more persons to do something, e.g. uang palagak mahamujolo, come, I beg you get together. Uahudul homa gadian hita jolo, IBP 41:14 FB. Come sit down, let us rest. Other samples C158. When one asks someone to accompany one, beta or beka 10A is used beta ita atik nasa dia daw narihutatay IBP 105:114. Come, let us go, who knows how far your village is. Beta mahita tuguma IBP 57:114 FB. Come, let us go together towards our village. Another example in IBP 39:18 FB and also in 156. With BC, one invites someone to accompany one but to go first. When someone is asked to participate in something, tole is used, e.g. tole mahita tataba IBP 295:17 FB. Come now, let us fell this tree together. Tole mahita IBP 181:15. Come, let us both start fighting. Tole hita magjuji IBP 81:18. Come, let us pray together. To which the reply is, Tole mahita to yes. Let's do just that. For another example, see 156. It is singular that tole is also used at the beginning of pre-clause with the meaning of as soon as, e.g. tole mapotang nai. As Pangilo ABP 153:116. As soon as the evening came of that day, the prince requested it, etc. Ia tole manunga pinartulu. ABP 294b. As soon as only a third of the tree trunk remained, tole mula anak nai ditori rajaima si pangapangaron. ABP 152:117. When his son was ready to go back, the prince bought some sweets for his son to take with him. In order to connect this meeting with that which the word has an interjection, it must be presumed that it has the sense of to be ready. Tole mapotang nai, for example, would therefore mean the evening thereof being about to fall. It can therefore be presumed that the meaning of together, which implicit in the word as interjection, is really derived from a question, e.g. are you ready? The meaning of to be ready can be seen from aitole maninna raja idadong ninanamora. For 100 ABP 145:1:1. For if the prince says, I am prepared to do it, then no says the Morasi of also ABP 42:113. If they are ready to depart, etc. Tole is also interchangeable with nine, e.g. nungi, dungni, nang lau may ba na nunga dilakka tuluhali ABP 150:119 FB. When the Rapon wished to go away, when he had taken the 3 steps, spoke, etc. Mandaling sought Yusketa, Mandaling B to B, as well as Kehita, Beta, e.g. dung na sotak pangako idahan na mata kita. So jalay dong nga muna sa utong ABP 135:1 FB. If you cannot eat uncooked rice, will not have as a wife who is not suitable because this kinship is too close, then let us go so that I may look for a better half for you. CFAB 260:17 FB. Mari tole AB B 282:18 FB and Mari AB P 268:117 FB ja ua. Dari uses kune ua, but with a wider meaning, it implies the suggestion that something should be done together. As far as I know, tole is usually circumscribed by placing of kita after the imperative, e.g. bayahan kita mo jinahta. ABP 135:117. Let us make our pact together, i.e. let us promise to be loyal to each other. Muda si pangan mo, ni mo pangan kita. ABP 95:116. If you say we must eat it, let us eat it. Bahan kita mo jumanta ti citok pemungkahenta. Let us make a field for ourselves just on a small scale to begin with. ABP 140:114 FB. ABP 145:114 FB. Hele placed before a word with which someone is addressed, either a proper noun of a kinship term, i.e. consultative examples, see dictionary. Mandaling choose he, especially after a negative infostration in which conviction is stated, the form of question, e.g. indada he si bound pagely, ABP 917 FB. That's bound page, isn't it? Nada he di boto ho ni namu na dapat dipoglak pagsanggulan. ABP 43:116 FB. Don't you know then that your mother was found in a flower garden? CF ABP 43:16 FB. Hele is also used in a polite question, e.g. pigabongin nari hirajanami. ABP 240:17. How many more nugs queens? CF ABP 63:11 and 12. Songon dia mahihuta di sipotangari like what? Then it is circled in the territory of Potangari. CFIBP 9916 Hele is used after INDAP or ANDAP is indication in which is put out of uncertainty about what someone wants. E.g. ahado pe ulahan mutuon idap ke common bagi batangan sigbora bagi binggol IBP 3312. What else is it that brings you here again? Is it how a breastcloth or just a one earring or just one earring? CFIB 216, 18 and 116 FB. Here, like ne in Toba, is an exclamation used to point out something, e.g. Although he namak puling nakinani. Look here, this is what made a sound just now. K appears to be derived from he. K is placed at the beginning of a sentence in order to say something that conflicts with what has been said in a previous sentence, or to explain it further, e.g. abay mangido tano diau, abay mangido tano au dihamu, ake tano di damang doon, tano di daw pung. For what reason should I demand the land from you? It is indeed land owned by father and grandfather. Aku jadi AHP hodi beko ake jol madoho wida naking IBP 7110. Whatever you may change into, you are still a human being. As I saw a moment ago, this serving girl is impertinent. She dares to say that father is sick, but yesterday evening he was quite well. Aketo kisdo na potangin. IBP 23-115. Don't be angry with me because I've not come back quickly. But first I had to wrestle with the person who has stolen my jacket. Akemagmusua ujolo dohot IBP 45-16 FB. Mandarin just nanke as an exclamation of astonishment. See dictionary. And also where it is decided to point out something to someone because what is astonished that he doesn't know it, that he has not seen it, e.g. nake onma sinu tunasmu IBP 268 113. Now don't you see that this is your son who, etc. For is used after Rinda in a main clause that follows a superpositional clause, a simple 163-6M. Note, it is more than probable that he is a based sound which, as an exclamation, expresses that as a gesticulatory sound as a quite a pronominal meaning such as can be seen from the meaning of he above 6M 114 and also from the interrogative pronouns Mike and Dike Deri 146. Tehe also tahe an exclamation whereby one seeks to reassure oneself or other people. It serves to preclude all doubt of fears, e.g. the hodo de he haumai IBP 291 T. There's no doubt that the field is where you haumami do it he IBP 293 1 to FP. That is your field. Rest assured out of the napuna Jolman. I'm that woman's husband. There's no doubt about it. Alotahe to Caribbean Sound my mind to Dalu B15-110 FB. Certainly, assuredly, unang tehe amang na mga godoi. Believe me, friend, don't do as he says, that what is a bringer of queen. A person will often use tehe when he is assuring himself about the decision he has plucked up the courage to make, e.g. the Sorma Modom Tehe Magbungin IBP 7713. Well then, I had better spend the night sleeping here. The Sorma Tehe Modom IBP 71-120. Well, I'm going to sleep here. Having come to the decision to leave his brother, he said, well then, I'm always with my brother, his son, etc. Molo Sadirap Tehe Dohot Angikon IBP 6613. I wonder if what the Holy Suri says is the truth. He said to himself, well, I tried. Alay tehe usuburo, dainang do tehe si Byron, IBP 21-112 FB. It is mother who has made these things, that Satan tehe is really used when one expresses a doubt to oneself. But an example is at naso dainang do tehe Byron, IBP 21-114 FB. wooden model perhaps have made these things. Tehe is used with a person name or a kinship term to ask a polite question. E.g. isi magwag mo tehe ito, tell me young woman, what is your name? Poti tehe ang di adong sa dia daw nari tian adian on to hutatay. Now listen to me, brother. How far away from this resting place is our village? Atehe, which is particularly used when one wants the person's address to pay attention to what one is going to say, is placed right at the beginning of the sentence, e.g. Atehe pu tutudo malita ulos na si question in dictionary. Atehe raja nami adokala liberian ABP 133 14FB. Listen Prince. Listen Prince. There's someone outside. Mandailing in the north, Mandailing uses the he but in south to we NTA, e.g. Usapay do tie acho uboto ABP 269M. Now I'll ask about it again so that I solve it. Aha maulani tehe ni na ni pagdabudabon ni bot ku di bayona di bain. ABP 217 116 FE. Why is it that my brother reproaches me about that he etc. amang adapike ula ni tehe di baik na dula magpoyogon ni mamboguna di baik ABP 216 116 FP. Father, is it perhaps because your daughter is too greedy that she have ABP 218 to 3, 9, and 5 and 15 FP. So dia maudokon ruwai tie 158 6M in inquiry asking oneself what one should do at antaguai tie adong ABP 237 19 FB. Who knows if they're not in Mandarin tehe is more used to express uncertainty. CF an example in 158 6M. In the short tehe tehe, but the form is also used where one is telling someone something, e.g. Etehe opung na nibuang ni day nangaw na hinang doaw. Oh my dear lady, mother has thrown me out. There uses to pay for the risk to the expressing of a conviction. E.g. tuhu tu pensi ni ajakan tiningit inang idi. ABP 140 113 FB. Really, it is true that mother has counseled me to do that I then go, etc. Now is used to indicate that one has taken the decision, e.g. kuchuba naringo, ABP 5 117 FB. Now let me have a look to see how deep this hole is. Another example 158 14D. The uses are to pay instead of atehe. In addition, there is kuni, which is also ue si supra ad. It is placed at the beginning of the sentence, e.g. Kuni kuberetken I book mitisku ena katengku RBP 246 1418. Now I say to myself, I'll tie it fast to the hair on my calves. Angiat 27 to 1. 22 3A, a really vocative of angi. 27 to 2 of 3. A word that, especially in Mandailing, is often used when speaking kindly to an inferior. Angiat is a word used to express a request in an entering manner. The translation is please permit me or allow me. Angiat is usually used to express a desire for something one has to put with because nothing better can obtain. If you won't say where he has gone, at least tell me what he looks like. Angiat o paghalat na pa buha diyaw. IBP 157 116 FB. Angiat masabongin nari hutorong bubuy. IBP 325 112 FB. Then let me at least set the fish nets for one more night. Agiat hupangan daw ni butuha mali. IBP 139 117 FB. At least let me eat you as a remedy for my hunger, since I've been so unfortunate in trying to find a wife. You go please and buy one. Angiat maapala ho manguli. IBP 6114. Angiat as conjunctive force at least beginning of an after clause and is to be translated so that at least in the hope that e.g. I shall take this as the center of my lens, so that at least it is my token from the other world. Agiat doi tandaku sian gijangon IBP 151 FB. Let us go there to pass the night in the hope that we can sleep and be better sheltered against the rain. Agiat suminok takap morom. IBP 65 115 FB. For another sample, see the cargo between Sang Mai Mada to Dadu P2 111. Agia pun si giam kan infra is a diarism. Mandarin uses pinomat. There uses giam, e.g. if you eat me up, let me first sing a charm song to you. Kudimban kono lebeken giam IBP 216 FB. I shall content myself with this bird so that at least I shall be eating it as compensation for what I've had to pay on its account. Asa kupangan giam balas aku menggara karena saidi IBP 155-17 FB. I may not be able to offer this bird for sale, but at least I can give it to delight the eye. Kupakani momahan neyam ni mata giam. IBP 154-19. Muda roh katenami musuh giam gebak mate kami IBP 105. If the enemy comes, we thought that we could at least die together. Hentat kita mo giam takal na idi IBP 158-111. Let us at least take his head. Mate pendina ia giam hukum mendoken. IBP 169-112. He says that he died, the law at least should have so ordained. Giam is also used before or after a number to lay stress on it, and also in the request for an early revealing thing to indicate that one will contend with it, e.g. Ria giam 10 malok nenge sada giam C 157D giamkan, which appears to be an imperative. 151D is placed right at the end of the statement. Giam may at the same time be placed at the beginning, e.g. giam dot si betoh-betohon menghukum kita giamkan 163 9D that at least there may be someone who is qualified to pass judgment on us. Menghukum mo kita giamkan IBP 165-114 that at least we make use of the law. Giamkan is also used in conjunction with the negative to stress a word expressing a small amount of, e.g. ihargai deba pe malok giamkan IBP 153-15 FB. Not even one offer was made si pesulak mo sa nanagi giamkan mendengani kaktai di. IBP 114M. Let us send out to each work but one of our sellers to keep our raven company. Gia is used. Gia is a Gia 163-9 and P 165 EG. Masaka de Gia Nasasi Silam. IBP 32M. However many Muslims there may be, Isegia IBP 95-111. Whosoever may have prepared for that God that food. Gia is also used with barang 193-1, e.g. muda tubuh nolai podin anak-anakmu barang berumu Gia IBP 35-16 FB. Should hereafter a son or a daughter be born to you, barangkali Gia pertentunta siniladang ena IBP 46M. May he be our oracle should there be anything that the inhabitants of this territory have to settle. CF also IBP 136-117. P 140-119 FB. Mari, this perhaps comes from Malay. It is used to invite someone to come to one. In Tabas Marila, Malay Marila is usual. When someone is required to make haste, haru is used with mari, e.g. haru mari matuon, the cargo in Sang Mai Menda to Dalu P15-110 FB. Come here quickly. For other examples, see dictionary and 163-6. In Tabas, when extending an invitation to the Tondi Huri, see dictionary is used, e.g. Huri Marila. Substantives used as interjections. Substantives can also be used in an exclamatory manner and are then defined by the pronominal suffix na or by another substantive introduced by ni, e.g. dengan na C151.3. The following should be put under this heading. Tua, e.g. tua ni, with a substantive sentence after it, P302.15, or tua na, e.g. tua na hubaluti au tu bagasan ijuki. How fortunate that I had to wrap myself up in that ijuk ada samples see dictionary. Beyond also bisan. This is used more in diary subtoba and I shall therefore give examples from diary si also dictionary, e.g. biyan na enggo kene roh kerina. ABP 173.15 AB. How fortunate that all you people have come. Biyan na kuidah kono. ABP 215.11 FB. P216.114. How fortunate to see you. Examples of order such words used in exclamatory manner are bilang in anger, e.g. bilang ni tambaton masih dictionary. Laya or leya in reproach, e.g. leyan na sodialapo the car between Sangmay and Datudalu. P12.15 FB. How disobliging of you not to want to fetch it. Raja si dictionary, e.g. Raja huamang unang magbubulti musti apit tukijang di bain hamuna. I beg you, don't let the smoke from that fire swirl upwards. It is even used when speaking to a woman. The carol between Sangmay and Datudalu, P11.18, etc. It would be impracticable to deal with all the other words that function as interjections. There is, for example, dong, which is used when something has happened by accident, e.g. dung, nunga madek gadahu the car between Sangmay and Datudalu, P12.16, P11.14. Now look what's happened. Now my pipe tube has fallen down for alumna C151.3. Diary uses tua, e.g. Tua na mango kono mengepuh idi ale bapa. ABP 149.18. How fortunate young men that you begin to shoot with ipu. Diary also uses teka 165.1D, but more when a wish is expressed, e.g. teka maganda magbunga nola penokor mu ena. ABP 153.12. If you sell it again, may what you paid for this bird be doubled. Teka saritua kono makani, e.g. ABP 153.115. If you keep that bird, may you reach a blessed old age. By doing so, cf. ABP 153.120, 122. P55.112. With the pronominal suffix na, teka becomes an adverb that must be translated with an adverbial adjunct by accident, e.g. enggo tuhu tekana endai leleng ale si haji tonggel. ABP 93.13. T has Haji Tonggel has really just forgotten it by accident, cf. ABP 163.113.